Hey guys, this is part 2 of the KURIG, and it's just like really awesome. I just had to refill it with water. So, again, this is the KURIG, the one, the only KURIG. Well, no, it's not the only. I was just finishing fill it with water. You have to fill it right here or else it won't make the coffee. So, just need to finish filling it with water. Okay. All done. Alright. And now I'm just going to put the lid back on. So, I could start making my coffee. Okay, I'll turn it. Alright. It's kind of hard to put the lid on. Okay, got it. Finally. Woohoo! Alright, now hit the on or the power button, and it's heating right now. So it's actually heating the water that I just put inside here to make the coffee. And then when it's finally ready, it's going to ask me if I want 1 cup or 2. Okay, now it's asking me, and I actually want 1 cup. There's like a little cup button and like a big cup button. So you just hit the one you want. So I'm just going to hit the little cup and then just watch as it does its magic. So it's just going to come out now. Just got to wait. I don't know if it saw me hit it. Just got to wait. It's finishing heating up. It gets hotter and hotter, the water. So just gotta wait. And then there's like shining blue buttons up top. Yeah, because you can see that light. And you gotta hold down. I don't know. I wonder if it pierced properly. Oh, now it's blinking. Okay. Now I press it. Here we go. Here it comes. Woohoo! Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! I was on time, kind of. And now it's just gonna come right out. Go coffee! Go coffee! Bump, bump. And it's filling up. You can see the steam. It's very hot. So, that smells so good. I put it in, the flavor was chocolate glazed donut. Alright, just taking the last of the flavoring. And there we go. Just let it drip. Tap it. And there we go. Ta-da! A delightful drink of coffee. Now you just add your creamer. Oh my god, that smells so good. Check it out. Want some? It has a Winnie the Pooh glass. Alright. See you guys. Bye-bye. Phone's ringing. Delicious. KURIG rocks!